Hello everyone, in the previous video we've learned how to use CSS module in React and we've learned how to create component in React as well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use all knowledge that we learned from the previous video to create Navbar. Alright, let's get started. Okay, over here in components folder I'm going to create Navbar component, navbar.js. Then type rfce, it will automatically generate functional component for you. Let's import this component in app.js. Over here I will type navbar. It will automatically suggest the navbar that I've just created. Hit enter. It will automatically import navbar for me. It should be good. Over here I close the tag and I save. Go back to this page. I should see navbar over here. What's wrong? Save, and I forgot to save over here. Save. See, we have navbar component over here. Let's create a logo and menu over here. I create new div, div to main. This should be class name as logo, and at the bottom we should have menu over here. ul class name navbar menu. Then put a list inside here. li and put a tag home href /. Copy this one, paste it down over here. This one for block, this one for contact. Edit this to be block and this one should be contact. Save it, and when you go back to web browser you will see navbar over here. It doesn't look like navbar right now because we haven't styled it. Okay, let's style it together. So because we have import navbar.js inside app.js, and app.js is styled by app.css, so we can put all CSS class in app.css over here. Okay, let's go back to navbar again. Over here I will put class name navbar. Okay, let's go back to app.css. Let's put some styles together to make it look like a navbar. Star, I will set this one to be default. Margin 0, then padding 0. Okay, and then for the first navbar I want it to display as flex, and justify content should be space between, and background color should be this head 4066FA, and I need padding 16 pixel. Save, and let's go back to web browser. Okay, this look like navbar. See, I should put margin bottom 16 pixel. Here it look like a navbar. Okay, let's change navbar logo to be white. Navbar logo. So navbar logo is this class. So I put navbar logo. I want it to be white. I put color white. And font size 20 pixel. Save it. Let's go back here. Okay, I want this list to sit side by side. I go back to navbar. It's this class, right? I want the list to sit side by side, so I use display flex. Class navbar menu display flex. Then the list will sit side by side. See, and I don't need list style, so I put list styles none. List style type none. Save. Let's go back. See, and I can put space between each list, so I put gap 30 pixel, and I want margin to be 0, and align items should be center. See, this look good. Let's edit this link style. Okay, I put navbar menu list and a tag. So text decoration should be none. Color should be white. Save. Let's go back to see. See, this look good. The navbar look good. Alright, this is all about this video. Don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to watch the next video.